You did engineering.
Yes.
Alongside with the engineering, you also pursued literature.
Yes. Yes.
And after that, you
MBA.
did your philosophy also. MA.
हाँ वो तो उसी में किया था लेकिन फिर बाद में MBA किया है.
एंड उसके बाद में MBA करा है. सो व्हाट वाज दिस बीटेक के साथ में आजकल होता क्या है कि बाय डिज़ाइन फैमिलीज आर सच कि हमें बीटेक करने जाता है. मैं को भी बीटेक करने जाता हूँ और कोई मेरे से पूछे क्यों करा बीटेक, तो पापा मम्मी ने भेज दिया था, वाज द रीज़न. बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू परस्यूड योर BA in literature. So what was that? Why did you do that?
So as I said, I was interested in philosophy always. And it came naturally to me.
Always मतलब कब से?
जब से थोड़ा होश आया, जम्मू पहुंचा फॉर एग्जाम्पल. तो yeah, I think because I was 13 तो थोड़ा होश आया. तो I thought and my grandfather had lots of books.
Philosophy.
Okay. In his Almira in Delhi. He used to live in Ghaziabad.
अच्छा, okay.
तो विंटर में हम जाते थे वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ किताबें बहुत होती थी. विस्की की कुछ बोतलें होती थी और फिर बहुत सारी किताबें. तो and one day I was after my 10th exam I went to stay with him. और मैं एक लिटरेचर किताब पढ़ रहा था, वो स्टोरीज, वो बर्ड्स ग्रेटेस्ट शॉर्ट स्टोरी सारे पढ़ते हैं ना.
Okay.
वो चेकआउट और वो सब.
ठीक है.
तो वो पढ़ रहा था. तो क्या पढ़ रहा हो? मैंने बोला ये क्या है इसमें? स्टोरीज हैं, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज. फेंक दे इसको, you're too old for this. I said, what does this mean? I said, this has great imagery, this has great way of storytelling, but there's no philosophy in it. I said, what is philosophy? उठा ऐसे बुक उठा, कोई सलमानी में से कोई भी उठा ले और पढ़. So I found Krishnamurti, J. Krishnamurti.
Okay.
So first exposure of a 10th to philosophy was J. Krishnamurti.
Okay.
Jaddu. So it was like suddenly it's not a story. अभी तो स्टोरी पढ़ता था, इमेजरी देखता था. So, but they are trying to answer real questions of life.
Okay.
How to lead life and what are the issues of survival, the issues of why we are, the issues of what are we doing here. Such profound questions. What does it mean to belong on this earth and so on. And then Osho, and then he had lots of books.
Osho was big back then also.
Yeah, very big.
Huh?
Very, very big. Very big.
I think he left in 1989.
Yes. He left, no, I think must have been 92, 93. Must have been 92, 93, yes. Yeah.
I have read 87, 89 लग रहा है मुझे.
90.
This could be 1990.
I was in Jammu because I remember he died. So मैं TV पे दिखाता है. Man who called to God is dead.